Hello, I'm in a 2016 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, start the vehicle, and then make sure everything boots up. And then here, from this screen, we can go to phone, and we can also select a device. And then here, if you've connected prior, it'll try to auto-connect for you if you want. You can also delete the device if you need to make some more room. So let's say we want to remove. Yes, and then you've got space to add more. So let's say we want to add a phone now. From your device, make sure Bluetooth's on, and then this will often take you to a pairing menu. So pair new device, and then we're going to look for Subaru Bluetooth. And then it may also just prompt you with a request to connect. But yep, there's Subaru Bluetooth. This may take a few tries or restarting your phone or the car, but usually it comes right away. And then it'll populate some random numbers here, so they do match the vehicle. So we'll hit pair, and it says successful. So now that it's connected, you can take phone calls, listen to music, all those. You can sync up your phone books, your messages, to make it a little easier for taking calls and messages. And then newer models too, you can sync up your maps and things as well. But yep, under the Bluetooth audio here, if you're having issues with this playing, just make sure you're in the right screen, and then also make sure that the volume's on your phone as well as in your vehicle. Because if that volume's off, that will cause you issues too for hearing it. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.